Okay, so now we're going to talk about something that, in fact, we haven't spoken about really, although we've spoken about it a little bit, right? You know that if you have y is equal to x squared, every one of you knows that that's a parabola. And if we have a negative in front of it, we talked about how that's a parabola, but it opens down. And we're going to do the same thing over here. If you have y is equal to square root of x, you know what it looks like. Now, if we have y is equal to negative square root of x, if you were going to do a t-chart for this, I'm going to plug in my perfect squares. This is going to be, right, negative square root of 0 is just 0. This is going to be negative square root of 1, which is negative 1, negative square root of 4, which is negative 2. So this is going to be exactly the same shape, but just flipped over, okay? And in fact, what we do is we flip it over the x-axis. So this is a reflection over the x-axis. And if you had something like this, y is equal to negative square root, let's say, of x plus 6, well, here's what I would know. First of all, I'd look inside and I'd know that we're shifting this 6 units to the left, but instead of going up, it's going to go down. And if I wanted to test it, which I always do, I might try plugging in something like x is negative 5, which would give me a 1 inside here. Square root of 1 is 1, and then we're taking the opposite, right? So we do have the ordered pair, negative 5, negative 1. So you're going to play around with now reflecting over the x-axis a little bit.